Okay, here is our revised kitchen. Quite a few changes. The wine captain has facing the kitchen table posts on the back of the island. These fridge legs were 26, now they're 30 to accommodate the deeper fridge. The hood, so the blower that you bought won't work for this. We need to get an insert blower that mounts to the bottom of this. So this comes out 22, that's 18. Your range is 30 wide. This is 36. This cabinet that would sit on the countertop, one door, slab drawer underneath. All the top drawers are slab. Because we can control whatever width we want here, we were able to make this upper, both of those uppers left and right of the hood, and the base left and right of the range the same width to balance those out. There's no Lazy Susan anymore. It's a dead corner. There's no space in there. I'm just looking from the bottom. It's just an open cavity. But we have symmetry on this wall here. Drawer stack to the left of your sink, trash. This is 40 inches wide. The microwave is in there. Microwave cabinet, so we lost one rollout. This upper did not change. And in the front of the island, we still have the 3 drawer stacks. And looking at the island from top down, with the post here, we have an 18-inch overhang. This post is 5 inches by 5 inches, so these cabinets will not be used that much. So when this door is opened, it's going to hit the post. But it's going to be open by probably 80 degrees. It would look approximately like this. We can, of course, overhang further and get the post away, or modify this cabinet a bit by just put a panel and then maybe start the hinge right here. But it's just nice that from this side, it's not showing this cabinet because it's a separate wall. We can look at it in 3D. Because we have 3 equal panels. But I don't know it's going to be that big of an issue because you're seldom going to be in these. These are just seasonal storage cabinets. But I like this layout a little bit better. Affected the price a little bit, but you can take a look at that. Let me know what you think. If you have any ideas, we can take it from there. All right. Thanks, guys.